Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to work on project setup. As I told you in the last session, we are going to create a web application with the AI tools. To create this web application, what are all the tools and packages and softwares required that we are going to discuss in this session. So let us see the tools and softwares required for this. We are going to download XAMPP. It is a package for Apache, MySQL, and PHP. All three will be installed if you can download XAMPP and install it. And we need a code editor. I'm preferring VS Code. And we need Composer. Composer is very important to install Laravel, to install any other required packages inside the Laravel. We are going to use a Composer. Let me show you the project setup. First, let me install XAMPP. And after that, we will go for the other tools also step by step. Let us open the browser and let me try to download XAMPP. So this is apachefriends.org is the official website. We can go here and we can choose the latest. And right now we are having PHP 8.2 version. Let us download the latest version. For Laravel, right now I think Laravel 12 version is running. So for Laravel 12, I think we need PHP 8 above version actually. Okay, let's wait. It is downloading. Once it is downloading, we have to install it. It is very simple process, like double click, next, finish. It is a kind of process. And you please wait some time. It will take some time to download. Software got downloaded. It is downloaded now. So go to the folder. I think it is in downloads folder. We have an exe file. We'll just double click. It will ask some steps. Next, and finish. We'll start. I double clicked on the software. XAMPP will install Apache, MySQL, PHP. Of course, parallel scripting also, but doesn't require for us right now. So please wait for a second. It will start installing. Yeah, slowly getting started. Yeah, click this OK button. Click the next button. Yes, no need to deselect or select here. Next button. And choose a folder. I'm choosing C drive. There is a in C drive, it will create a folder called XAMPP. So click the next button. No changes, nothing. If you want any other folder, any other drive, you can choose. But I'm continuing with C drive. Next button, default English language, and next button. Okay, I think it is starting installation. Sometimes it will open command prompts, terminals, something. I don't have any. Okay, I think it is installing. Usually it will take some time. Let me pause the video. Once installation completed, I'll back. Right, finally installation completed. After completing, we are getting a prompt like this. We have finished button. If we can just click the finished button, we can able to see XAMPP control panel. I think, yeah, this is XAMPP control panel. Here we have some services like Apache, MySQL, FileZilla, and Mercury Tomcat. All are not required. Just we will check Apache and MySQL whether the services are running or not. Click the start button. Yeah, this service is detected running, as well as click on the MySQL. Yes, MySQL is also running. Sometimes you may get some port number conflicts. Because of that, it may shut down unexpectedly. Such a kind of messages you will get, then we have to change the port numbers. If you are getting such a kind of port number conflicts, and please let me know, I can help you. You can post comments in the video where I can guide you the process. The next thing, if we can open that directory, we will see a folder with name called XAMPP. Yeah, this is the folder XAMPP. Inside the files related to Apache, MySQL, PHP, all the files available inside this folder. And this is the root directory where we can keep all of our applications. Okay, fine. Actually, this is not required right now. So if you can complete XAMPP installation, and that's fine. And one thing we need to verify whether the services are running or not. Okay, later I will explain you about it. If required, we will come. Otherwise, no problem. Okay. Now, next thing is what VS Code. Let us download VS Code editor. Download VS Code. Yeah, go to this website, VS Code. Download for Windows. I'm using Windows. Thanks for downloading. It's starting. It doesn't take much time. Likewise, how we install exam, same way. Double click, next, 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 finish. No need to select or deselect anything inside of it also, because I already installed VS Code in my machine, but I'm downloading again, and let me show you how to install it. Already installed, but no problem. Even if you're installing again, it will just get updated. It will take few seconds to download. I think completed download. Open the location and just double click. Yeah, I accept the agreement. Click the next button. Click the next button. Next button. You want an icon on desktop? Yes, I need an icon. Next button. Yes, install. It won't take much time because I already installed. Maybe it will just update the software. You will get a progress bar like this. Once it is completed, you will get finish button. Installation completed. We have finish button. Click the finish button. So VS Code editor is opening. Yeah, already I have some projects. I told you, right? It is already installed. That's why it is loading the code. No problem. Editor is completed. On desktop, we can see the VS Code editor icon for to quick launch this editor. Right. Now the next thing, if you can observe the slide, we have to go for Composer. And do one thing before installing Composer, whether this is already installed in your machine or not, we need to verify. So how can we verify? So just open command line. So here we can simply type Composer. Composer. If it is already installed, yeah, I already installed Composer early. So you will get thing like this. If Composer is not installed for you, it will show you command not found, such a kind of message. So what you can do, you have to download and install the Composer. And I already installed, but again, let me show you how can we download the Composer and how to install the Composer. So this is the website, getcomposer.org/download. Go to the browser, download Composer. So this is the website, Composer. Here you will find an exe file. Download that exe file and install it. So this is download and run composer setup.exe. It usually doesn't take much time. So just download. It is downloading. Please wait to complete the download. Download completed. Let us go to the folder, downloads folder. Just like VS Code and exam, we will just double click on it. Yeah, install for all users. Yeah, it will ask, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes. Yes, next button. Next button. So use proxy server to connect it to internet doesn't require install. in next button and finish. We have completed three major things. One is XAMPP, one is VS Code, and other one is Composer. Now it's time to install Laravel. I want to install Laravel in separate video. Laravel and Filament PHP and the required packages to work with the role-based authentication. All we will see in another video. In introduction video, I told you we are going to work prompt-based. So let me show you how to give a prompt to the AI tools to install Laravel, Filament, and the required packages, and how to choose the prompt, how to give the prompt to AI tools. Let them give the commands, and based on the commands, we are going to work step by step. That we will see in the next video.